look at that doggy. Oh, that is so hilarious.
It's trying to walk in the snow.
He's just like hopping in the snow. The snow is bigger than him.
Hey guys, welcome back to Funtastic 5. Today I'm going to skating. I'm really late, but look at outside. I can't even see what's in front of us.
We could barely get out.
Yeah, we
were stuck. There was so much snow in front of it. It was like we were not gonna move anywhere. So yeah, we were told to stay home, but you know, I think I'm super mom and I could get her to skating safely, but this road, I didn't expect it to be this crazy out here. This is winter in Canada. I think this is our first major snowstorm. Oh, of course, it's the first snowstorm of 2019, and I believe the second snowstorm of this winter.
No.
No?
Well, it's the first this bad.
Yeah, I think this is the worst. All right, so pray for us that we make it safely. I can't even see a bed. Oh no.
Imagine someone goes the wrong way on the road because they can't see.
Oh, I hope that doesn't happen.
Are you bringing me to school or skating?
Oh, you can't even see the signs. It's a scary day today. This is a winter storm in Quebec, Canada.
Natural disaster.
Oh, we can't even see the St. Lawrence River. There's so much. Oh, look, there's
St. Lawrence? That was St. Lawrence.
the St. Lawrence. In English, it's St. Lawrence. I don't know what you're saying, kid.
Because French is
You can barely see oncoming. You can't even see the lanes. This is normally a 3-lane highway.
It looks like a sidewalk.
We normally drive 100 here, but I'm doing a modest 60 for our safety. Oh, there is a car behind me.
Look at this, guys.
That's a snow removal. Look him, he's pushing it. He's crazy. Look at this guy. I'm doing 55. I don't know. He's probably doing like 70, 65.
It's going so fast. It is blowing in our face.
That's not nice of him. Okay, let me go a little tiny bit faster. Tiny bit faster.
At least I have an excuse for being late.
Yeah, I think you'll probably be the only one crazy enough to actually go.
Really? Oh yeah, it's Shotgun Tea.
Let's see if anybody's there besides you. And then we'll be like, you were right. You should have stayed.
No, you can't tell Daddy that.
Oh, look, now I can barely see anything at all. Wow.
That on the camera you see better, but like here you don't see anything.
We're like in a snow globe.
Yeah.
This is where the person came up with the idea of snow globe. They were driving on the highway in a winter storm. Okay, my exit is
The
coming
car
up.
is still in front of us. You could only see the light. You can't even see the car.
Yeah, that's smart. At least he has that light. We don't have that light.
They're probably rich.
Maybe I should put on my indicators. Not my indicators, my hazard lights.
Maybe.
Alright. What happens if I put on my high beams? Nothing. Oh wait, let me see. Nothing. Yeah, nothing. Okay, this is our exit.
So weird.
So I'm totally afraid to take this exit
Why?
because I can't see it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, yo.
Is that our school? No.
No, we passed your school. Look at that snow hill already.
Oh.
I didn't even see that the other day.
Because they just made it probably.
Oh shoot, look, there's like barely a road. Oh. Oh, there's the bridge. There's a Jacques Cartier bridge, but you can barely see it.
Usually you can see it from like when you start.
Yeah, the whole entire drive, yeah. What do I do? Keep going because there we go. Now we can stop.
There's probably no one that's skating.
Oh, look at that doggy. Oh, that is so hilarious.
It's trying to walk in the snow.
He's just like hopping in the snow. The snow is bigger than him. That is hilarious.
The camera shows it like not so bad, but it's really
It's
bad.
way worse than when the camera even captures. Does the camera see the snow hidden in the car?
It only sees it where like the dark places are.
Oh. Okay. We have made it.
I'm gonna go check if anyone's there.
Yeah. We made it. We're late and there's barely any cars here, so yeah, it's gonna be an empty practice. You okay, babe? You did it! All right, girl, have a great practice. I'll be watching you. Okay, there's a decent turnout here. I can't remember how many people she had in her class, but this is decent.
Okay guys, well that's it for this vlog. I finished skating and it's still snowing.
It's still snowing.
Hopefully it will end.
Well,
And-
luckily, we didn't have too much snow on the car, so that was good.
Yeah, we only had it on the window and the back. But like the back of the car is white and it was black.
Yeah, but it wasn't thick. It was
Yeah.
all sitting in the front.
So, yeah. See you in the next video. Bye.
Fantastic 5 is out.
Ka-chow.